The 2026 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome is a bold new step forward in the recreational vehicle world, offering unmatched versatility, rugged design, and advanced technology for modern explorers. Designed with long-distance travelers and off-grid adventurers in mind, this camper combines Chevrolet's legacy of durability with the innovation today's RV enthusiasts demand. Whether you're navigating the expansive highways of the United States or the winding scenic routes of Europe, this vehicle offers comfort, reliability, and power in a beautifully integrated package. At the heart of the 2026 model is a powerful 6.6L V8 gasoline engine, delivering 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque. This ensures a smooth and responsive drive even when fully loaded or towing additional equipment. In a significant nod towards sustainability, Chevrolet is also introducing hybrid and all-electric variants, allowing travelers to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. These engine options are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing both precision and fuel efficiency on long journeys. The exterior design of the camper motorhome is modern and functional. Built on Chevrolet's trusted Express or similar platform, the chassis offers high ground clearance and robust suspension, making it suitable for both paved roads and rugged terrains. Large panoramic windows not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetic appeal but also flood the interior with natural light. Roof-mounted solar panels, optional in some trims, provide off-grid power solutions, and an electric awning with integrated LED lighting creates the perfect outdoor living space. Inside, the motorhome offers a fully equipped living area that maximizes space without sacrificing comfort. It features a compact yet fully functional kitchen complete with a stove, microwave, sink, and refrigerator, ideal for preparing meals on the go. The dining area converts into an additional sleeping space, while the main sleeping area offers either a queen or king-size bed, depending on the configuration. With the ability to sleep 4 to 6 people comfortably, it's perfect for families or group adventures. The bathroom setup includes a stand-up shower, toilet, and sink, with efficient water systems and storage designed for extended travel. High-quality insulation and climate control features ensure the camper remains comfortable in both hot summers and chilly winters. Making it a true four-season RV, technology and safety are key highlights in this 2026 model. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Connectivity is enhanced with optional Wi-Fi boosters and USB-C charging ports throughout the cabin. Safety features include lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear-view camera, and forward collision alert, making driving safer whether in tight city traffic or open highways. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's ideal for digital nomads, weekend adventurers, or retirees ready to explore. With its blend of strength, smart features, and home-like comfort, this motorhome is engineered to redefine the road trip experience for American and European markets alike.